Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to block someone on BeReal. If you want to block your friend on BeReal, then first of all go ahead and open up the BeReal application on your smartphone. Now from the home page after logging in, tap on the friends list at the bottom of the screen. In the search box at the top, type down the name of your friend. After you type down their name, you will be able to see the list at the top of the screen. Simply tap on their name and then click on the three dots at the top right section. In the pop-up, click on block. Soon after you do that, you have successfully blocked the contact. They won't be able to see your BeReal post or interact with you anymore. That's how you block someone in BeReal quickly and easily. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more BeReal tips. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.